you struggling with a messy AutoCAD drawing? I'll show you step-by-step how to clean up and repair your AutoCAD file using commands like Flatten, Overkill and Audit, the same powerful tools professionals use to remove duplicates, fix geometry, and repair file corruption. So let's jump right in and fix your AutoCAD drawing once and for all. Ensure objects are on the same plane. Flatten. When object snap doesn't work correctly in AutoCAD, like missing endpoints, midpoints, or intersections, the issue is often that objects are not on the same plane. They may look aligned in 2D, but their Z elevation values are different. The Flatten command is the best way to fix this. Type Flatten in the command line, press Enter, select all the objects you want to fix, or type ALL to select the entire drawing. Press Enter again. If AutoCAD asks Remove Hidden Lines, type N for No to keep everything visible, clean up your drawing, Overkill. If your AutoCAD drawing feels cluttered or certain commands, like Object Snap, Osnap, aren't working properly, there may be duplicate lines, overlapping objects, or unnecessary geometry in your file. The Overkill command is designed to fix exactly that. Type Overkill in the command line and press Enter. Select the objects you want to clean up, or type ALL to select the entire drawing. Press Enter again. The Delete Duplicate. Objects window will open. In most cases, the default options work fine. Make sure Optimize Segments within Polylines is checked if you're cleaning up polylines. Click OK to apply the cleanup. AutoCAD will then remove duplicates and optimize the geometry in just a few seconds. Audit your drawing for errors. Audit. If your AutoCAD drawing is acting strangely, tools not working, Osnap behaving inconsistently, or layout problems, it may be due to drawing file corruption or internal errors. The Audit command helps fix these issues quickly by scanning your file for problems and repairing them automatically. Type AUDIT in the command line. Press Enter. AutoCAD will ask, fix any errors detected. Yes, no. Type Y for yes, then press Enter. AutoCAD will now scan the drawing. If errors are found, it will attempt to fix them automatically. When it's done, it shows you a summary of how many issues were corrected. Check for Add-Ons and Lisp routines. Add-ons are external plugins or apps that integrate with AutoCAD to add new features. Lisp routines are small programs written in AutoLisp, a programming language for AutoCAD, that automate tasks. They usually load when AutoCAD starts and can change how commands behave, including snapping tools. Type APPLLOAD in the command line and press Enter. This opens the Load-Unload Applications window. In the APPLOAD window, click Contents under the Startup Suite. This shows what Lisp routines or scripts are set to run automatically when AutoCAD starts. Temporarily remove suspicious entries. Select items and click Remove to stop them from loading next time. Restart AutoCAD and test whether Osnap or other features are working correctly. Recreate the affected layout. If you're noticing that Osnap only fails in one layout, the problem might be with that layout itself. Layouts can sometimes become corrupted, leading to unusual issues like snapping not working as expected. Right-click the Problematic Layout tab at the bottom of your AutoCAD window. Choose Delete to remove it. Then create a new layout by clicking the plus tab or right-clicking another layout and selecting New Layout. Start fresh if necessary. As a last resort, copy and paste the drawing elements into a new file. This process removes any hidden corruption in the original file, giving you a clean start. Conclusion: I hope one of these solutions helped you fix the Osnap issue in your AutoCAD project. Sometimes it's a small setting, other times it's something deeper like system performance or file corruption. But now you know how to handle it all. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another helpful tip. Got questions or ran into a unique issue? Drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.